the ball.
Rebound!
Oh, Vaughn open again.
There you go, Neil. Relax. There you go. Good.
6-0. We boy down. Basket here. Attack that lead.
Get back on defense. Get back on D.
Who's the foul?
Who's foul left?
7 seconds.
And one.
Foul number 7.
And 1, right? What's his name? 95?
Kapag nakalaman natin yun.
Tumatakbo tapos may shooter sila.
Yeah. Ganun yung may setter.
Ibarra po, Ibarra. Ibarra.
There.
Yeah.
Hey, Marlon, do you want to get it?
Yeah, just get it.
Okay, but who?
10-0.
No, 0-10.
G-U-E. Victory. A-R-R.
Bakit nagpalit? Ultra, go.
Sino nagpapagdag tao?
Ba't nagpalit ng sentro?
Kaya nga eh.
Si Dominic pumasok.
Oo. Dahil nagpun siya magpa-break. Hindi siya makahinga.
Hindi ka makahinga. another three. That's another three.
Hit it, hit it. Oh yeah, good read. Good read.
Jump ball, jump ball.
Good job, Dom. Good job, Dom. Keep on, keep on.
10-3, right?
So defense.
Eh, kita! Uy! Foul. Kami ba tiraw? Nice pass, Rian.
Substitution. Both teams.
He's 22.
13.
I don't know his name.
13 already.
Andrew, right? Andrew, right? Yeah, first time. Who's sick? Who's shooting? Number 33.
Shooter eh. Papalit pagka-shot shot. After the shot. Shots first.
Hindi na ano ata nila, 101 daw. 101 daw. Kung alam, hindi ko get siya kanina, ganun ko sa amin eh. Tama. Sabi ko 101 na alam.
Hey, one more.
One more.
Hindi ko get siya kanina.
10-4, right? 10-4. Score 10-4?
10-4, yeah.
July.
May papalitan ba sa blue? Ito papalitan. Saan pagka dead ball? Pagka-shoot.
O, diyan ka na lang. Papalitan ka pala eh.
Oh, nice.
Sab.
10-6, right?
10-6.
Who's his score? Number...
Score 10-6 in favor of Green.
88.
Andre.
He just scored. July?
12-6.
12-6, yeah. Fourteen six. Finish. Shot. July. On the way.
Heroes!
Nice pass by Mr. Carlo. Score natin 14-10. In favor of Gray. Timeout, Gray.
Now great.
Score po natin 14-10. In favor of Gray.
Where's the first sheet, the first game?
I give it back to the captain.
Captain? So we need that first statistics.
Get it from the captain.
Back to the ball game.
14-12.
Number 11.
A 6-0 run, right?
Pass to. Wala.
Now they're making a run. 8-1.
Number 12. Ginagawa mo natin nasa Angel. Tira. Pass. One more team.
Tie game.
Coaching pass number.
One foul each, right?
And one time.
Don't foul too much.
Pero dapat mag-uusap.
Oras mo natin, last 7 minutes and 15 seconds.
Kasi dapat nag-lead. Sa date kaya nga yun. Ay, nay! Uy!
The line, wala. Mr. Gulay. Mr. Gulay. Mr. Gulay, pass to number 13. 14. Pass to number 21. Pass to Uchi. Pass to Toledo. Ball, easy basket.
Do you have the other place on the other side?
The captain. We give it to the captain.
Do you know who? Yeah. What? Do you need Nakanino? Yeah, we need it.
Can I borrow your shirt? Oh, nice. Finish.
All score natin, all 16. Last 6 minutes and 45 seconds.
Take that shot. Take the shot. Wide open.
Easy basket. Well, di ba? Last 6 minutes quarter. 16-18. Yeah, easy basket. Last 6 minutes. Sub.
18-18, right? 18-18.
All 18.
18 off.
All 18 muna. Number 23, wala na Marlon. Who's forward? Foul number 23. Same ball. Number 8, nagawad na papasahan, pinasahan siya ng Marlon, pinasahan number 3. Number 3 ball. From number 1, goes to the ball. Pinasahan number 3. Who's forward? Number 7.
Jaworski. Is that a ghost? What happened?
Chip check.
Jaworski.
Ball fly out of
Number 23, sumalaksak, wala.
Tira na pare!
21-20.
Marlon, tulak, wala.
Ay, isa pa!
Jason, wala. Pinasahan number 22, wala. Pwede rin siya Marlon. Score po natin, 21-20 in favor of Gray. Number 3, ball.
Damn ball, man. Lighting it up.
Score po natin, 24-20. Who's scoring? Number 9, Marlon. Shooting. Out of shooting, free throw to the left.
Ay, 1-1.
Pressure.
Dapat to talaga pag shooting. Pag shooting ka lang ko yun, sabihin sa referee.
24-21.
Pasok, dalawa.
24-22.
Score na ng 24-22. Marlon to the ball. Pinasa na the race. Wala.
Big, 9-3.
23 ball. Last 2 minutes. Palaban. In favor of Palaban. Pass number 3. Pass number 17. Pinasa ay Mr. Eddie. Pinasa Mr. Jason. Hampton. Pinasa ng favor.
On again.
Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Eddie, wala. Nawala ni Mr. Hyde. Pinasay number 8, pinasay number 9. Number 9, nagbayawa ng bala. Number 9, nagbayawa ng bala. Pinasay Mr. Tano, pinasay number 8. Number 8, seconds. Number 3. Binali pa. 32-27. Pinali sa wala. Dalawang sa board. Last 35 seconds.
33-27.
32-27.
32-27.
Huh?
32-27.
33.
No, 32. 32.
Oh, he hit a 2? Yeah. Okay. So that wasn't a 3?
2 only. That was 2 only.
Okay, 2.
Pass to Mr. Powell. Last 17 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
Shoot again.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Jason!
2, 1.
Ako shooting. 2 free throw. 2 free throw. Ako shooting.
Halftime.
Just in case,
15, 17 points.
first half natapos. Kung lens natin.
Boss naman kami, di ba?
Nobody felt that much.
Oo, basta ako shooting. Oo, Hindi ko mong one-on-one. Ano? Oh, game! Yun na.
Back to the ball game.
Last na, Arman?
Back to the ball game naman tayo.
Yung laban natin next, Pampanga.
Isa dito.
Kami.
Three ball.
Oh, dito na kalaro.
Marali po skip.
Okay.
Andrew, pass to Gudana. Gudana sa Bintay. Gudana sa Magsak. Who's foul? Number 7. Free throw. First shot. Pass away. Center. Pass away.
He made
Pass
it.
away. 34-27. Three points. 33.
34-30.
34-30. Kailangan mo mga Wala ng foul. 32-34. Number 30, still up, pass, Score mo natin, 36-32. In favor of Gray.
It's number 30.
Ang gandang pasa na naman. Na-rebound pa. Tobis, nagbawa. Tinasa ang Serta. Easy basket by Mr. Tara.
I can't find his number.
Score mo natin, 40-32. Rebound by Mr. Andrew Gonzalez. Tinasa ang Mr. Tara. Mr. Tara. Uy, tumingin. Tinindok, wala. Pass to number 12, tinasa ang Mr. Eddie. Kaawa mo na foul. Who's fouled? Number 18.
18 foul.
40-32.
Twenty-two, 23. Who's fouled? Number 3. Nakakalito ni Mr. Tay. Tay, tumasalaksak. Wala, nakakalito sa inyo. Same ball.
40? Let's score 40.
40-32.
Okay.
Score mo namin, 40-32. Number 22, wala. Nakalam, o number 22. And one. Who's fouled? 22.
16 na, 40 na. 30.
Pasok po tayo. Score po natin, 40-35. Number 22, pasok.
Happy.
Baik, pas ke Bas. Bas kembali tres. Wala, naman ni Mr. Taro. Taro bilang ka, wala. Naman ni Mr. Number 9. Reserve na, reserve.
That one in too?
Lapa! Hindi ko siya lang sasabayin. Ano eh? Wala pa. Isa lang sasabayin. Ano? Saan ba?
Number 22, foul.
Ilang paulo po yun?
3.
Number 22, third personal foul. Unang buslok. Pablo Bustos, pasok, Pablo Bustos. Wala. Pwede ni Carlo. Carlo, nagdala ng bola. Carlo, sumalaksak. Carlo, wala. Nawad pa rin. Good luck.
Foul on 7.
Number 7, foul.
What's your dad?
Another side.
On the other side? Yeah. Oy, sub!
Number 22,
Sub, sub!
sumalaksak. Wala.
Hey, sub, sub! Sub, sub!
Sandalan. 10 minutes mo. Bash, rebound, sub, sub, sub.
Pagka nababa na, hindi pwede pa sabihin eh. Dead goal ang sub.
47-36. 47.
47-36 in favor of Gray.
Buti na lang, puta.
Kaya, pinaksak, number 55, dire-diretso, pasok. Kortin, nagawat ang babasa, pinasa ng patutulan. Pinasa ng patutulan. 65, sumalaksak. Wala. B-boy. Wala.
Offset 38.
Kortin, nagawat ang babasa, pinasa ng sa Uchi. Uchi, pinasa ng sa Dog. Nawala ni Mr. Dulay. Mr. Dulay, wala. Siyan, nagbibigay. Siyan, wala. Nawala number 21. Mr. Uchi, nagawat ang babasa, pinasa ng number 14. 14, dribble the ball. Stand by Donald. Pinasa ng number 21. Pinasa ng Don. Don, pinasa ng number Dulay. Dulay. Dulay is the basket by Mr. Dulay. Don, pinasa ng Mr. Dulay. Mr. Dulay is sinayat.
All time now.
Sarsulan, pinasa Biboy. Biboy. Pinasa Stay. Biboy. Tira. Passer. Last 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 14. Dribble ball. Pinasa Uchi. 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 Uchi sumalaksak. Pinasa ka lang agad. Pinasa Mr. Tulay. Number sa mga bukod sa naman yan.
51.
Pinasa kay Mr. B-Boy. Christine. Ang ano pa madala ng boy.
They just scored.
Uchi. Nagbawala ang bola. Uchi. Uchi. Pinasa kay Don. Don. Tira. Nawala Mr. Sian. Sian. Nagahat na para sa pinasa Mr. B-Boy. Pinasa kay AJ. AJ dire-diretso. Tumalaksak. Isuloyan by Mr. AJ.
42. Who score? 55.
51-42.
Dominic.
Easy basket by Mr. Gold. Sian! Rebound.
Ribbons. Sian. Sian, 3-4.
Kepulan, tumira. Wala na ang number 8. Number 8. Diretso number 8. Number 14, pinasa ng Mr. Ruchi. Mr. Ruchi, pinasa ng Mr. Gulay. Mr. Gulay. Tie basket. Ang lakas mo, Mr. Gulay.
Outed. Foul laran.
July, ha?
55. 55. Foul.
Time out, Blue.
Timeout. Blue.
55-45.
Alam ko, di mo tatawag eh.
Ito nga eh. Ito nga ang tawag.
Dito, balisik yung dito.
Basta kapag ka magsasabi ka kay coach,
Oh, it's fast and back and forth they score. No defense.
basta malapit.
Back to the ball game. Mr. Gulay, pass out.
56, huh?
Dan, dari kemudian negara pertahanan, pinasa yang kemudian, Tumira, wala. Bruno. Siang, Tumira, wala. Betul-betul, pinasa yang kemudian. Nah, dari Mr. Gulay. Number 9, pinasa again. Wala. Number 22. Basta dead ball, pero may sub.
Stop.
Plus 6 minutes and 33 seconds.
6 minutes, dead ball.
Okay. Dead ball na sa pinaka pag dead ball. Automatic. Automatic substitution, dead ball. Choke, the ball, pinasa ball. Ball. Ball, easy, basket. Substitution.
Kaya kahit sino na yan, di ba?
Close na ulit, 58-45. Plus 6 minutes. Pasok na ba, pasok? Blue ball.
2 more 3-pointers over. Give up too many 3-pointers.
The Epic. Pass number 7. Tumira, nawalan sa 33. Line ball. Line ball. Same ball.
Sabay post number.
Gandang paso na naman. Sabi natin, 58-37.
Get open for him. Get open.
Paso.
Now you have one.
Hi, Steph.
Carlo, diretso, Carlo. Carlo, nagaling bakasan. Carlo, pinasa ng bukal. Natulay, nakat. Nawalis sa bakal. Sa bakal. Pasang balalat, darating. Nawalis sa Carlo. Carlo. Pow. Pow, Mr. Time out, play. Ano po ito na?
Wala na may timeout, no?
No more timeout.
No more timeout. Wala na timeout. Wala na timeout. Wala na, ginamit nyo na kanina.
Ginamit na nila time out nila.
Last na rin to, wala na.
Time out, play.
One more timeout, one more timeout. Nag-timeout pa sa kanya second half?
You use 1 second half.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, then no more.
So legit, they still have timeout.
Then the last one. Momentum.
58-49, right?
No, 49, 58.
Last 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Carlo, that's the ball. So number 7. Pinasa 18. Number 7. Pinalaksa. Who's started? Number 22. One more graduate.
4 power rating.
Prito.
Warning na siya, warning.
Unang bislo. Pasok. Pinasa ni Serbao, pinasa ni Dybala, pinasa ni Serbao, ganda sa kanya. Muli din nilalasot. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Mr. Reddy, tumalaksak, pasok. Last 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Kamunagan, 61-52. Good lang. Carlo, dire-diretso. Sumalaksak, pasok. Kamunagan, 61-54. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Ano shot lang yan?
Meron yan.
Let's go. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Stop lang yan, stop lang yan.
Last 1 minute and 24 seconds. Sam, Samuel. Number 3. Who's forward?
Stop lang yan. Penalty na ba?
Wala pa, hindi ba yung penalty? Not penalty. Fourth personal foul.
Laba!
Tama.
Yeah, 6
Dalawa pa eh.
Fifth personal foul.
That's a winnable thing, bro.
Last 1 minute and 70 seconds. Ay, gandang pass. 17. Sa Benedetto, 17, pinasa yung Rosales. Sa Laksa. Number 3. Number 3. Number na goal, number 3. Number 3, pinasa. Ang laki ng pasa. Pasa! 63-54. Last 56 seconds. Carlo, wala. Nawala pa 22. Paso na pa ng 5. Benedetto. Foul. Going for penalty.
Pre, patakuin mo.
Last 48 seconds.
More than 10.
Oh, 9 points lang, 9 points lang.
Pinasa ang Gumara. Pinasa ang San Andrew. Andrew.
Take it.
Ayun, pasok yung ka.
Outside yun.
Last 35 seconds. Siyam lang ang kalaman. Ito 9. Ito 7. Ito 6. Pass. 3 points. Pabrik na mo tayo sa likod.
Bon.
Let's score.
66-54.
Hey guys, let's gather in the middle. We're gonna have a group picture. Gather in the middle. Wear your jersey, please. Wear your jersey. Hey Visayas, come on. Come on. Give them power. Let's go. Wear your jersey.
Lakas yun. Meron kayo point guard tsaka meron point guard.